Every improvement you'll ever make follows the same four-step loop. Plan, do, check, act. It's called PDCA, and it's the engine behind Toyota, behind Lean, behind every team that makes lasting change instead of just trying stuff and hoping for the best. Here's how it works. Plan means writing your hypothesis and predicting the result before you run the test. Do means running the experiment, but keeping it small, contained, and fast. Check means comparing what actually happened against what you predicted, honestly. Act means adopting the new method if it worked, adapting it if it was close, or abandoning it and learning why. The discipline that makes PDCA powerful lives in that first step. Writing the prediction before you test protects you from fooling yourself. It turns every experiment into real learning, regardless of the outcome. Skip the plan and you're just guessing. Stop at check and the gain evaporates. Small, fast cycles always beat one massive plan. PDCA. Plan, do, check, act. Run it every week and your team will never stop improving.